Many of you have told me that you've been delaying your purchase of an air fryer due to the fear of Teflon, ceramic coating and toxins. With its 360-degree glass bowl design, this air fryer can help you get rid of this fear. This is the EDT Luma air fryer, India's first 360-degree pure glass air fryer with NutriRetain technology. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that the team at EDT gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the review, the pros and the cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. Now let's see how the LUMA-by-EDT is different. The Luma is made of pure glass, which means it has zero non-stick coating made of Teflon, ceramic, or it doesn't have heavy metals like lead, cadmium and others. Now there are three main benefits of this pure glass. It is non-reactive and toxin-free. You can be rest assured you're not consuming any toxins or microplastics. Since it is made of toughened borosilicate glass, which is chemically inert, there is no peeling or chipping of any coated layer and the risk of that entering your food. You can always view what's cooking with its 360-degree visibility, just like your regular cooking experience with the stove. So no guesswork, no checking if it's done, and no wasting time. Your food gets cooked evenly edge to center as the bowl naturally conducts heat evenly without any hot spots, meaning there are no areas where some foods are burnt and some others are still uncooked or frozen. You can also cook acidic foods that include tomatoes, lemon, vinegar, and wine, which generally are not recommended to be cooked in non-stick vessels. You can scrub it using a steel scrubber as well and not worry about scratches or peeling, or you can simply pop the bowls in the dishwasher. It is powered by the unique NutriRetain technology that uses dual sensors to preserve more nutrients in your meals. These intelligent dual sensors alternate heat cycles to ensure that your food cooks evenly at the right temperature to retain more nutrition. The food is crispy on the outside and juicy and nourished on the inside. The Luma is a 7-in-1 device, so it is perfect if you are short on space on your kitchen countertop. It can bake, roast, grill, air fry and reheat, replacing your oven, toaster, sandwich maker and your grill. It also replaces your microwave for reheating solid foods. Pizzas and samosas in fact come out crisper in this air fryer than reheating it in a microwave. It does take a little longer, however, compared to a microwave to reheat, and you will need a solution for reheating liquids. You can also add some water at the bottom of the air fryer while cooking, and it can easily become a steamer for fresh foods like veggies, idlis and momos. It has 5 preset modes: air fry, grill, roast, bake and reheat for each of these functions, or you can choose the chef mode for complete manual control and set your own temperature and time as per your preferred recipe. The Luma has a modular design. The NutriHob, the brains of the air fryer for heating and control, works with 2 interchangeable bowls. First is a 2.5 liter bowl for smaller portions, and next is a 4.5 liter for family size meals. You don't buy 2 machines with different capacities. You simply swap the bowls and you get 2 air fryers in one. The same bowls can be used for all parts of your cooking workflow, so lesser dishes to clean after cooking. You can prep in it, you can cook in it, you can serve in it, you can store in it, and you can also easily clean it. There's even a food-safe storage lid, so you can refrigerate directly in the same bowl. At only about 11,999 for a 7-in-1 dual bowl appliance, consider the Luma an investment in your health. Add to that its compact size, better safety using pure glass and multifunctionality, the EDT Luma is your safest way to transition to an air fryer. It is one of the most beautiful looking appliances I've seen in the Indian market lately as well. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.